Good day mga kapasyal. Eto na, ang saya-saya. What if small budget tayo sa ating event and we only have a limited guest and hindi natin kailangan mag-invest? Aba, astig si Mamita, may sagot sa lahat ng okasyon kahit ano pang selebrasyon. What if 20 packs or 30 packs lang talaga ang invited mong guest dahil you want the moment to be shared by special friends? Well, worry no more because Team Mamita can offer more. Kumpleto pa rin ng Team Mamita. Andyan ang super MC natin na si Billy Bukut and a proud member of Behind the Mic Philippines to entertain our guests, and Artsy for videography and photography to capture your moments. The raps, lights, and sounds to make sure your guests are impressed. And walang bagyo na makakapigil sa ating garden wedding dahil we want our clients to experience the service we promised and for sure you don't want to miss. Kaya ito, pati ako tumulong sa pag-aayos, making sure everything are secure. Teka saglit, mag-aalas 4 na at mag-uumpisa na ang event, kaya teka saglit, walang maingay, papasok na ang sponsors and guests. And syempre, ang ating bida with her grand entrance.
Thank you for watching over me. All of the sleepless nights you lay awake.
Kaya ano na, kung meron kang event, ibumanyan, kasal, binyag, or Christmas party, huwag nang mag-atubili. Mamita's Private Resort is the place to be. Kaya tinanong natin ang ating client why they choose Mamita.
Because Mamita is very nice place. Kasi yung Mamita talaga, wala na po kayong hihilingin. Sobrang satisfied po ng experience namin sa Mamita. Yung expectation namin na maganda, mas hinigitan pa po.
And by the way, 7,000 followers na tayo and road to 8,000 na po tayo. Kaya don't forget to hit the follow button and let's go!
Itch I can't scratch, I'm missing a piece that completes a whole part of me, an open wound scar to see. Everybody come here, gather round.